Hello, good morning to all. Once again, welcome to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. My name is Crisanto Encarnado. I'm a realtor, a father, and a family man. So today, I am here inside the two-story duplex of Villa Castena subdivision. This is their model house. And nandito din pala ako ngayon because I have a client na magsa-site visit sa whole subdivision. And I am making this video because yung promo na diniscuss ko few days ago is 6 days na lang yung natira, no? We only have 6 days to avail for those promos. And gusto ko lang kayong i-remind about the promo. Baka kasi may mga hindi pa nakarinig regarding the promo na interested sanang kumuha ng unit dito sa Villa Castena subdivision. So ano ba yung mga promos natin? By the way, ipa-flash ko rin ano yung mga promos while telling it to you. So our promo, now we have a promo for 1-story units and our 2-story units. Okay? So the first promo for our 1-story unit, yung reservation fee is from 10,000 naging 5,000 na lang siya, no? Then if you reserve a unit, there is a 15,000 discount on equity. Yung equity mo minus 15,000, yun lang yung babayaran mo. All right? Then, we have a Wilcon gift card. Magkano ba? For 1-story unit, our Wilcon gift card is 10,000 pesos. Alright? So, di ba yung Wilcon is nandito na sa Iligan City. So, it would not be hard for us to go there and get your appliances or kung ano yung gusto mong kunin doon worth 10,000 pesos sa Wilcon. And for this month also, if you will reserve this month, we have at 3,000 pesos for the first 6 months sa monthly equity. Alright? So, kung gusto mong ayaw mo munang gumastos ng malaki, so, pwede tayong mag-avail nitong 3,000 pesos na monthly equity. Alright? So, this is for the 1-story unit. And for the 2-story unit naman, we have a 15,000 reservation fee. Again, from 20,000, naging 15,000 na lang yung reservation fee. So, ito yung advantage kung within this month ka mag-reserve. Alright? And another thing, second, is there is a 25,000 discount on equity. Again, if you have, for example, if your equity is 100,000 minus 25,000, yung babayaran mo na lang for equity is 75,000. So, ganon. No, yun yung mangyayari for our equity if we reserve this month. And yung Wilcon gift card is mas malaki siya. Yung Wilcon gift card na makukuha mo as worth 15,000 pesos. Alright, so sobrang laki, di ba? So yung 15,000 pesos, marami ka ng mga appliances na pwedeng bilhin yan sa Wilcon. By the way, makukuha mo lang tong Wilcon gift card if na-approve na sa bank financing yung unit mo. Alright? And by the way, lahat pala ng mga units natin ngayon, all is for bank financing. And then again, 6 days na lang yung natira para ma-avail natin tong mga promos na to. So if you are interested to avail a unit in Villa Castena subdivision, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I am just a comment away, a text away, and a call away. Alright? Don't forget, until June 30, 2024 na lang yung promo natin. So kung gusto mo pang humabol, meron pa kayong 6 days, no? 6 days na makahabol for our reservation promo.